Question number 9, take 2. Okay, so question number 9, this is our second time to try this. Betty has an order for 160 hair bows. She can make 16 hair bows per day, which is a reasonable conclusion. So we know she can do 16 per day, and she has an order of 160. Okay, so then I'm going to do the number of hair bows and the number of days. Line equals sign line. She can do 16 hair bows per day, so that's in one day, and she has to do 160. So I don't know how many days it's going to take her. So I can say, all right, well, look, times 10 times 10. So it'll take her 10 days to make this order. So that's just a little bit of starting information for me. Betty completes 3/4 of her order in 1 week. Well, in order to know if that's true or not, I have to figure out, well, what is 3/4 of the order? So I'm going to try answer choice A. I'm going to put right here. Well, 3/4 of the order, so 3/4 of 160. I'll put that over 1 so that I can multiply fractions. That's no problem. Top times top and bottom times bottom. I'm going to cross simplify because I want to work smarter, not harder. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 160 40 times. So when I do 3 times 4, I get 120, excuse me. 3 times 40, 120 over 1. So 3/4 of the order is 120. Now the answer choice says she'll make it in 1 week. Well, 1 week is 7 days. If she can make 16 a day, I'm going to try that out. 16 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 112. So in 7 days, she makes 112, which is not 120. So it cannot be answer choice A. All right, so let's go for B. After 3 days of work, Betty completes 1/4 of the order. So we'll do 1/4 of 160. We're going to cross simplify. 40 times 1 is 40. And it says after 3 days, so I'm going to do 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 48. So 1/4 of the order. In 3 days, she has made 1/4. So I do kind of like this answer. Okay. In 3 days, she has made 1/4. She actually made more than 1/4, but she has made 1/4. So I like it. It is reasonable so far, but I'm not done because there could be a better answer. All right. C. Exactly half of the hair bows will be completed in 6 days. So let's say half, 160 divided by 2 is 80 hair bows. Oops, sorry. And there's 16 times 6, because 16 a day for 6 days. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 96. 96 is not exactly 180, so C is incorrect because of that word exactly. And then the last one. Betty makes 1/4 of the bows for her order. We already know 1/4 is 40. So she makes 40 of her bows in 2.5 days. So let's try it out. 16 times 2.5. I changed it to a decimal. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. Placeholder. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 0, 10, carry the 1, 4. Then I have to move the decimal once and once. And what do you know? 40 is 40. This is also correct. This one is the most correct, while this one she does complete. It doesn't say the word exactly, but D is the most reasonable conclusion. On the actual test, some of you had the answer of D and I marked it wrong. I'm so sorry. On my answer key, I had it marked D, but then I wrote the C out to the side. So the correct answer is D. If you had gotten D and I marked it wrong, I will add points to you once you turn in your corrections. All right, done.